In this lesson, you'll learn how to find common tones between two distantly related keys. It's easy to find common tones between two closely related keys, such as C major and G major, or C major and F major, because they share many notes in common and only differ by one sharp or one flat. However, the keys distantly related to C major, for example, D major or A major, differ by two or more accidentals. Our shortcut to identify common tones in major keys is to use the interval between the scale degrees in the C major scale as a guide. When the C major scale is rearranged in fourths, it reveals minor thirds B to D, E to G, A to C, and D to F, corresponding to scale degrees 7 to 2, 3 to 5, 6 to 1, and 2 to 4. Any two major keys separated by a minor third, like C major and E flat major, share four common tones, D, G, C, and F. Since C to E flat is a minor third, we can assume that the common tones are the minor thirds from E flat to C. Minor thirds from scale degrees 7, 3, 6, and 2 in E flat major correspond to scale degrees 2, 5, 1, and 4 in C major. In E flat major, the remaining three natural notes become flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. When considering A major and C major, which are a minor third apart, the minor thirds derived from the scale degrees in C major provide us with the common tones B, E, A, and D. The remaining three natural notes become sharps in A major, namely G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. When two keys like C major and E major are a major third apart, the major thirds from 5, 1, and 4 begin in E major. The common tones B, E, and A correspond to scale degrees 7, 3, and 6 in C major. The remaining natural notes become the four sharps in E major, which are D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. A major scale has only two minor seconds, 3 to 4 and 7 to 1. When two major keys are separated by a minor second, like C major and D flat major, they'll share only two common tones, C and F. The 7 and 3 in D flat major correspond to 1 and 4 in C major. The remaining natural notes become the five flats in D flat major, which are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. If minor seconds come from major scale degrees 7 and 3, we can infer that the major seconds come from the remaining 5 scale degrees. For instance, when two keys are a major second apart, such as C major and D major, we find common tones B, E, A, D, and G by going up a major second from scale degrees 6, 2, 5, 1, and 4 in D major to correspond with scale degrees 7, 3, 6, 2, and 5 in C major. The remaining notes become the two sharps in D major, which are C sharp and F sharp. The 4 to 7 tritone in the major scale inverts to 7 to 4, which is also a tritone. When two keys such as C major and G flat major are separated by a tritone, the 4 and 7, or F and B in C major, become the 7 and 4, or F and C flat in G flat major. Note that C flat is the enharmonic equivalent of B. By including C flat in the count, G flat major has 6 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. You've just learned hacks for identifying common tones between two distantly related keys without needing to recall each scale's note or key signatures. Take the quiz to test our hacks and review your answers on the next screen. There you have it, hacks for finding common tones between two keys using the NANDI method.